This is going to blow your mind. Olive oil can do so much more than you think. Let's dive in. Packed with monounsaturated fats, olive oil helps reduce bad cholesterol and boost the good kind, keeping your heart happy. It has anti-inflammatory properties that mimic ibuprofen. Hello, natural pain relief. Full of antioxidants, it protects your cells from damage. And guess what? It supports brain health, potentially warding off Alzheimer's. Even though it's high in calories, olive oil can help with weight management by keeping you fuller longer. For glowing skin, olive oil has your back with vitamin E and antioxidants. It also supports a healthy digestive system and may help prevent type 2 diabetes. Your bones, blood pressure, and even your immune system get a boost too. Let's not forget hair health. Shinier, less frizzy locks await. Plus, it improves liver function and might even help relieve depression. So, next time you reach for some cooking oil, remember olive oil is a health game changer. Like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you next time.